Coaching is one of the fastest growing professions around the world. Why? Because coaching works. There's a movement to incorporate a coaching mindset into all levels of management within organizations. Perhaps you've experienced this already. I was recently recruited to serve on the editorial board for Choice. It's the quarterly magazine of professional coaching. Don't let the tagline fool you. It's much more than a magazine. It's a revolution. It's a community. It's the professional development tool you've been waiting for. If you're interested or curious about coaching, if you're just starting out, or if you're a seasonal pro, the magazine is full of great information to support your growth and development. I encourage you to do more, be more, and to get more with Choice. It's a small investment, $20 for a digital copy. I prefer the print copy at $40 because I like to highlight and dog-ear pages. And for those of you who want both print and digital, it's a $60 a year investment. This is a commitment that you'll make to yourself to catch up and be on top of all of the trends that are happening within coaching, and to be a part of a larger community that's growing by leaps and bounds. So use the link in the post and invest in your future today, and let me know what you think about the magazine.